Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video where I'm going to be talking to you about the rest of the legal documents that are required for you to be married. Last week, I spoke to you about the notice of intent to marry. So the next important document is the declaration of no legal impediment. This is actually a statutory declaration which essentially states that neither of you knows of any reason why you shouldn't marry. Obviously, you need to sign this document in the presence of your celebrant. It covers things such as your current conjugal status, that is, you're not already married to your partner or someone else, and your age, because in Australia you need to be 18 or over to marry, unless you seek court approval and one of you is under 18, between 16 and 18. So this document is generally signed at rehearsal. Sometimes it's left until a few days later or even before the wedding if a couple are flying in from overseas and they haven't had a rehearsal or met in person with their celebrant. So the remainder of the documents are the ones that are signed during your ceremony. And these include, first of all, your presentation marriage certificate, which is that fancy looking pretty certificate that your celebrant will give you towards the end of the ceremony. This and your official certificate of marriage, and there are two of these, and these are identical, are all signed during the ceremony. The official certificate of marriage actually has most of the information that is on the notice of intent to marry. But all three documents are signed at the ceremony by yourselves, your witnesses, and your celebrant. And once you're married, following the ceremony, your celebrant will collate the documents, that is the notice of intent to marry, the official certificate of marriage. He or she takes one of these and keeps the other for their own records, either in their registry or just with all their secured paperwork. And then your declaration of no legal impediment. And these are collated and checked and sent off to the registry in the state in which you're married. And this is the information that the registry will use to make your registered marriage certificate. Now you can apply for this certificate online, and if you're needing it in a hurry, such as you want to do a name change on a bank account or change a passport name, then you can pay extra and they'll do that for you quicker. So that's it really. That covers all the legal documentation that is required for you to marry. I hope this series has been helpful.